Today is Jonas's 1 year anniversary since we adopted him. As you can see, he has some gifts there, and there's a little bit of cake on the plate, a little bit of icing. Daddy has him out back. We're going to let him in a minute to see. I say he's going to go for the cake first. Hubby says he's going to go for the toys. So I'll get back with you in a minute. And here comes Jonas. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Doggone Daddy. Jonas. Jonas. Look. Cake, come here, Jonas.
Like a ray. That's all.
Jonas, come here. Jonas, you don't like your cake? Jonas, come get your cake. Jonas, look, look. There goes some cake. Look, you don't like... I guess hubby was right. He don't want the cake. Good. You like cake? Hmm? You like that icing, Mommy. Where you going with the bowl? The plate? Your pack? Get that last little bit. Get that last little bit. Get that last little bit. Good boy. Jonas, give her a break. She's new. You chew her up?